Good afternoon. This is Larry Boyer, the lawyer, live. I wish I could tell you I'm coming to you from a tropical paradise, but I'm coming to you live from Clifton, New Jersey, to talk about your rights as a homeowner in cases or situations where you're dealing with home improvement contractors. And quite frankly, you'll find that there's a lot of things that I find unbearable in dealing with home improvement contractors, and you should too. And I don't mean just a Ralph Lauren bear. What I mean is that home improvement contracts, now, not every home improvement contract and not every home improvement contractor is a bad person or is the contract bad. So let me make that clear up front. This is not about everybody. But there is significant number of home improvement contractors that do not comply with the law, and that gives rise to certain rights that you and remedies that you as a homeowner have. First of all, to briefly summarize, a home improvement contract must comply with all the requirements of the home improvement contractor law. And the main requirements that it must comply with is a statement on in the contract itself showing proof of the license of the contractor, any license they hold, plus their general liability insurance and their workers' compensation insurance. A properly drafted contract should also have progress payments and milestones that have to be reached within a specific period of time in order for payment to be released. Also, any milestone, once it's been met, must be inspected either by municipal, state, or independent third party qualified to determine whether those improvements or repairs are in compliance with municipal and state law pertaining to those repairs. The home improvement contract itself should have progress payments or benchmarks, and before funds are dispersed, each of those must be approved and done in a proper workmanlike fashion. The failure to do so gives rise to you having rights and remedies against the home improvement contractor. As a homeowner, your two best friends are the New Jersey Home Improvement Contractor Act and the Consumer Fraud Act, which provides for triple damages plus attorney's fees. Realistically, although there's no guarantees in litigation, if your case needs to go to litigation or a lawsuit has to be commenced, if the court finds that the Consumer Fraud Act has been violated, you will be entitled to triple damages plus attorney's fees. When an attorney drafts a complaint against the home improvement contractor, they are going to list all viable and credible causes of action. The attorney will name all appropriate defendants. And I also want you to bear in mind that as a homeowner, you never want the responsibility of obtaining any permits whatsoever in connection with the home improvement project or home improvement repairs. You want the home improvement contractor to be solely responsible for doing that. You also want to make sure that the home improvement contractor satisfies you that all people that he or she employs are properly licensed and trained and capable of doing the job in a proper fashion. However, to prevent trouble, I recommend prior to signing any contract, you have it reviewed by an attorney. And in terms of home improvement contracts, you don't pay all the money at once. You can put down a reasonable deposit, which, depending upon the scope and size of the project, should probably be no more than 15 to 20%, with progress payments to be dispersed only when milestones are reached and in compliance with all applicable state and federal law. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know. And if you want any additional topics that you'd like videos on, let me know below in the comments section. And if you want to discuss your specific situation with a home improvement contractor with my firm, contact us through our website at boyercoffee.com. This has been an informational and educational video, and I hope that it's helped you learn something. So in the comments below, let me know what else you'd like to know about home improvement contracts and your rights, or any other video on a legal topic that you'd like to know about. This is Lenny Boyer, the lawyer, live.